Hey everyone! Welcome to the PD Knob channel. Have you ever downloaded a long document or research paper but never finished reading it? Understanding complex topics takes hours. But what if AI could turn that content into a video explanation automatically? In this video, I'll show you how NotebookLM's new feature can transform your notes into an engaging AI-generated video. If you enjoy AI tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. For example, I have a notebook about quantum entanglement, a complex topic. Let's have NotebookLM explain it for me. Open your notebook, in the right sidebar, click Video Overview. Then choose Shorts, the brand new feature that turns your notebook into a short AI-generated video. When asked what the video should focus on, choose one of the suggested options, or enter a custom prompt to make the final short match exactly what you need. Then click Generate and let NotebookLM do the rest. In just a few moments, NotebookLM generates a complete AI short based on your notebook. Let's see what it created.
How does quantum entanglement link two objects across the universe without breaking the cosmic speed limit? When an observer measures the first photon, they aren't sent those two distant photons we sent flying in opposite directions as one singular system.
As you can see, NotebookLM turns complex notes into a clear and engaging short with a structured explanation, AI narration, and key takeaways. It automatically organizes the information into a logical flow, helping you quickly understand the main ideas without going through pages of text. And notice how it uses simple animations to visualize concepts like particle interactions, making abstract ideas much easier to grasp than reading text alone. And that's just one example. You can use this feature to turn lecture notes, research papers, or company documents into easy-to-understand shorts. Whether you're studying, researching, or creating content, NotebookLM helps you turn complex information into engaging AI-generated videos in just minutes. And that's how easy it is to create AI shorts from your notebook with NotebookLM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.